Today topic is window. S.C. Rangwala, 2016, defined a window as an opening provided in a wall to admit natural light and air into a building and to provide an outside view. B.C. Punmia, Ashok Kumar Jain, and Arun Kumar Jain, 2016, described a window as an opening provided in the wall of a building to admit daylight, ventilation, and vision. Francis D.K. Ching, 2014, explained that windows are openings in the building envelope that admit daylight, provide ventilation, frame views, and contribute to the architectural character of a building. W. B. McKay, 1981, defined a window as an opening in a wall or roof, fitted with a frame and glazing, to admit light and air while protecting the interior from weather. Windows can be classified into different types based on their function, construction and material, and location. Windows based on function. Windows can be classified based on the main function they perform in a building. There are 4 important types. 1. Illuminating windows. Sun. These windows are mainly provided to bring natural light into the interior. They help reduce the use of artificial lighting during the daytime. Example: fixed or picture window. Used in living rooms, corridors, classrooms, etc. 2. Ventilating windows. Wind face. These windows are mainly designed to allow fresh air to enter and stale air to escape. They improve air circulation and indoor comfort. Example: louve window. Used in kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, etc. 3. Light and ventilating windows. Sun. Wind face. These windows perform both functions, providing natural light and ventilation. They are commonly used in residential and institutional buildings. Examples: casement, sliding and double-hung windows. 4. Display windows. Convenience store. These are mainly used in shops and commercial buildings to display products and attract customers. They usually have large glass areas for better visibility. Example: shop display window. Here is a clear and detailed explanation for the image that you can use while teaching. It is detailed enough for a lecture but easy for students to understand. Windows based on construction. Windows can be classified according to the way they are constructed and how their shutters or sashes operate. Different constructions are selected depending on the amount of light, ventilation, available space, and architectural style required in a building. 1. Fixed window. A fixed window is permanently fixed in the wall and cannot be opened. It is mainly used where natural light and an outside view are required, but ventilation is not necessary. Features: does not have moving shutters. Provides a large glazed area. Requires very little maintenance. Gives good weather protection. Uses: living rooms, staircases, corridors, picture windows. Main purpose: natural light and view. 2. Casement window. A casement window has shutters that are hinged at the sides and open either inward or outward. Features: opens like a door. Provides excellent ventilation. Can be opened fully. Easy to operate. Uses: bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, offices. Main purpose: light and ventilation. 3. Sliding window. A sliding window has shutters that move horizontally along tracks. Features: saves space because the shutters do not swing outward. Easy to operate. Suitable for modern buildings. Provides good light and ventilation. Uses: apartments, offices, balconies, modern houses. Main purpose: light and ventilation where space is limited. 4. Double-hung window. A double-hung window has 2 sashes that move vertically, one above the other. Features: both upper and lower sashes can move. Allows controlled ventilation. Air can enter from the bottom while warm air escapes from the top. Traditional appearance. Uses: bedrooms, heritage buildings, traditional houses. Main purpose: controlled light and ventilation. 5. Pivoted window. A pivoted window is supported on a central pivot or hinge. The shutter rotates around this pivot. Features: can rotate in both directions. Provides good ventilation. Has a modern appearance. Easy to clean because it can rotate. Uses: offices, modern homes, commercial buildings. Main purpose: light, ventilation, and modern design. 6. Louvered window. A louvered window consists of horizontal or vertical slats placed at an angle. Features: allows continuous airflow. The slats can be adjusted. Provides privacy. Can allow air even during light rain. Uses: bathrooms, kitchens, toilets, utility rooms. Main purpose: ventilation. 7. Bay window. A bay window projects outward from the main wall of the building. Features: creates additional interior space. Allows light from different directions. Gives a wider outside view. Adds architectural beauty. Uses: living rooms, reading corners, bedrooms. Main purpose: more light, view, and extra space. 8. Corner window. A corner window is placed at the corner of two adjoining walls. Features. Provides light from two directions. Gives a panoramic view. Makes the room appear more open. Creates a modern architectural effect. Uses. Living rooms, offices, modern houses. Main purpose. Maximum light and wide view. 9. Clear-story window. A clear-story window is placed high on a wall, usually above eye level. Features. Brings daylight deep into the room. Maintains privacy. Does not usually provide a direct outside view. Useful in rooms with high ceilings. Uses. Churches, libraries, halls, industrial buildings, modern homes. Main purpose. Natural light while maintaining privacy. Windows based on material. Windows can also be classified according to the material used to make their frames and shutters. The main materials are wood, steel, aluminum, UPVC, glass blocks and FRP. Wood. Gives a warm, traditional appearance and good insulation, but needs regular maintenance. Steel. Very strong and durable, but may rust if not properly protected. Aluminum. Lightweight, strong and corrosion resistant with a modern appearance. UPVC. Low maintenance, durable and provides good thermal and sound insulation. Glass blocks. Allow natural light while providing privacy, mainly used where ventilation is not required. FRP. Strong, lightweight and resistant to corrosion, moisture and termites. Therefore, the material is selected based on durability, maintenance, appearance, cost and the requirements of the building. Windows based on location. Windows can also be classified according to where they are located in the building. Their position affects lighting, ventilation, privacy and views. Ground floor windows. Located at ground level. They provide light, ventilation and easy access to outside views. First floor windows. Located above the ground floor. They provide light, ventilation, better privacy and security. Attic windows. Located in the attic or loft. They provide natural light and ventilation to the attic space. Dormer windows. Project vertically from a sloping roof. They provide light, ventilation and additional headroom. Roof windows. Installed directly on the roof or sloping roof. They bring natural light from above, especially where wall windows are limited. Therefore, the location of a window is selected according to the requirements of light, ventilation, privacy, view and the design of the building. To conclude, windows are an important part of every building. They provide natural light, ventilation, views and comfort, while also adding to the appearance of the building. We can classify windows based on their function, construction, material and location. Choosing the right type of window depends on the purpose of the space, climate, maintenance, cost and overall design. Therefore, proper window selection is essential for creating a comfortable, functional and attractive interior.